All that is gold does not glitter. Not all those who wander are lost. The old that is strong does not wither. Deep roots are not reached by the frost. J.R. Tolkien. Hello world, my name is Lane. I am a writer, a nature enthusiast, and I am a proud Jamaican. A very simple video today. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, but you know, life, I was just saying in Jamaica, man a plan, God a wipe. But in spite of all that is going on in your life, if you are able to find a moment to center yourself, you'll understand that everything is kind of trivial. There's a popular Chinese proverb that said, if you cannot find 10 minutes to be still, then you need 1 hour. So this video is just a reminder to just find joy in the simple things. Whenever life feels too grand, too big, too insurmountable, always take it back to the simple. I'm right there. Small little patch. Yeah. Got nervous for a second there. Have to love beautiful country of Jamaica. Well, let's see if the proof is in the pudding. Okay. It's sweet. It's sweet. I didn't think it was going to be sweet. It's sweet. Capri's got getting sweet, 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 sweet sugar cane. Really good. Got a lovely rose banana tree. We're going to be looking some jelly. Maca breadfruit tree, for those who don't know. For those who think they know but don't know, this is maca breadfruit. I prefer this roast breadfruit over common breadfruit, and the difference is that the maca breadfruit has spikes on it, and I presume that's where it gets its name from, because of those maca. It feel like maca. If you're a Jamaican, you know what the maca mean, that prickly thing that can stick you. I don't know what's it called around the world, but that's how I know it as maca breadfruit. Have this appointment, guys. There's no jelly on the tree. Well, yeah, I miss one. When I add that one on that side there. Yeah, on the other side. You nah look. You nah look jelly. Yeah, jelly up there. Jelly there.
Box! Come on, careful. Alright, who know what I empty the tree? Leave some. Thank you, jelly tree. Thank you very much. I wanna young. Tangy. Young man. Yeah, young. There, taste it. Taste not same mean. In a young.
Can't drink it, keep me pressure in hot sun.
No pick no more. That mango tree in stream there. Can't believe it. There goes that custard apple tree. There's one. It's not quite ripe. Well, not. When you really go up on the next tree, come down so. One. It's over sweet now. Every time it's sweet till it's ash. That one is way better. By far.
And just like that, the beautiful day came to a close. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, always try to make the magic out of the little moment. Even if life feels too grand, too big, too chaotic, always remember, and I do mean it, always remember that there is joy in simplicity. Those little moments that makes you come alive, that brings out your inner kid, your inner joy. Hold close to those moments. Seek nature, seek peace, seek joy, seek whatever, but above all else, seek wisdom. Thank you for watching, guys. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you'd like to.